Hello 3D plotters, my name is Roughen and I'm the founder of 3dplotter.xyz. In this video we're gonna see the line modifiers. So the line modifiers can manipulate how lines look on the board. Let's go and showcase some. Okay, so we create the simple line and then we go to the modifier, Add Modifier, and we choose line edit, and as you can see we can simplify, we can roughen, we can sawtooth, squiggle and loops. This works also in patterns, as you can see. And also it works in objects. Do you see the difference? Amazing. So now for this, to showcase this functionality, I'm gonna create a paper boat and some rough sea. I'm currently in a tiny island of the Aegean called Agios Eustratios that has only 200 locals. So I'm influenced by it, and this is going to be the artwork we're going to create. So we're going to start with some lines. Okay, and now we're going to copy and paste them. And again. So now that we have the lines, let's make it look like the sea. Go to the modifier and choose line edit, and let's go to roughen. So now we have our waves. Okay, let's create now our little boat. Let's do it in a different layer. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this line, this one, and this one, and I will take a line and go across here. And again, you don't have to be precise because it's a drawing. And now I'm gonna take this one and this. And now we have our paper boat. Now we're gonna make it a bit smaller, and we're gonna drag it where we want it. In the drawing, I'm gonna create first the boat and on top the lines. You're gonna see it in a few minutes. Thank you so much. This was Rose. The video of the drawing comes right ahead.